Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make DIY gummy bears. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, your favorite fruit juice, and a sweetener like honey or sugar. Next, prepare your gummy bear molds by lightly greasing them if necessary. This easy method ensures delicious, homemade treats with just a few simple steps. You'll be surprised how quickly these come together, making them perfect for a fun kitchen project. Now let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, sprinkle the unflavored gelatin over 1/2 cup of cold fruit juice. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom, which means it will absorb the liquid and soften. Then, place the saucepan over low heat, stirring constantly until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Do not boil the mixture. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener until it's fully incorporated and the liquid is smooth. With your mixture ready, it's time to fill those molds. Carefully pour the warm gummy liquid into your prepared silicone molds. A dropper or a small measuring cup can make this task much easier and less messy. Once all the molds are filled, transfer them to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 20 minutes or until they are completely firm. After they've set, gently pop your homemade gummy bears out of their molds. Congratulations, you've made your own delicious gummy bears. These homemade treats are perfect for snacking or sharing. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 1 week. They make a fantastic, fun snack without artificial ingredients. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your sweet success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.